Arrays are objects. Think of an array variable as an address to a group of variables of a given type. For instance, using a various analogy, some array can be an acyl number, so sum array 1 and sum array 0 are the acyl numbers followed by the position, okay, some strings and some arrays here, followed by position number in this cell. Because arrays are also objects, they have functions and properties that we can use. So for example, let's create an for example, let's create an example application that will print an array here, text view, and text size is 34. So let's delete these. Actually, we don't need that. So let's make an array, or we can do it like that. So for example, we haven't assigned any size of an array. As you can see here, we have implemented our arrays of strings like this. So because of arrays are objects as well, we can use some objects function as well. For example, val how many strings I have. This is not a good declaration, but I will do, for example, even more string, so we will use that, and dot length or size here. Now let's initialize our text view, as you know it, how to initialize text view. While text view, find v by id, text view here, and our dot id dot text view here. Now we can assign our text view dot set text here, set text, and even more string size array size is how many strings I have, and let's run our application. So let's open our bunch stacks here. It will compile now here. So our application is compiled, and as you can see here, even more string array is size 6 because we have declared 6 strings here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here, and our how many strings I have, we get it from even more string that size method, and we use text view to set text of our even more string array size to how many strings I have. So let's here, and let's continue our lecture here. So we can even declare an array of an arrays. This is an array where another array locks in each of these position. So we can do like that. For example, let's do an example here. Now we will create an array of an array. So for example, val cities here is equals to assigned to array of, with this command we're creating an array, and this array of, and for example, New York here, London here, and BC here, and Tokyo, or 3 cities is okay. And let's create a countries. Country is array of the countries is gonna be United Kingdom, United States of America, and Georgia here. And Let's create another array, countries and cities here, and array of uh, countries and actually countries and cities here. Now we can declare like that, so let's initialize our text view here, or I think our text is so big. I want one, not 20. It's okay. 12 is okay. So let's initialize our text view, and find view by ID, text view, r.id dot text view here, and let's assign our countries and cities name to our set text view. Text view dot set text here, and for example, the capital of so plus countries and cities 0. Actually we did it right because so just change it. So countries and cities 0, and cities 0 as well. As you can see, we have an array of an arrays. So and is countries and cities 1 and 0. Can you see it? Yes. So let's run our code now. Our application is compiling. I will pause here. Okay, our application is installing almost. So let me show you BlueStacks here. And here, as you can see here, the capital of USA is New York. So how we did it? Because we used array of an array, so first we declared two arrays, cities, array of New York, London, Tbilisi, and countries, array of USA, UK countries, and then we merged these two arrays. So now we can use countries and cities. The first is 0, the New York, and the second is 0 USA, and plus here is countries and cities, and 1 and 0.